Hi, welcome back. This is Ariana with the University of Cincinnati, Clermont College. Today we're going to talk about mixed numbers and improper fractions. Let's start with those mixed numbers. So how do we identify one? When you see a whole number and a fraction written together, that would be a mixed number. We have 3 and 1/2. So we have 3 wholes and 1/2 of a whole. So that's how we can represent that. If we are asked to take this whole number and make it an improper fraction, let's look at those steps we're going to take. First, we are going to multiply the denominator of the fraction by the whole number. Okay, so 2 is my denominator, 3 is my whole number. So we would do 2 times 3, that equals 6. So let's see our next step. Then we are going to add this product to the numerator of the fraction. Well, 1 is my numerator, so 6 plus 1, that gives us 7. Now we can write the result of step 2 as the numerator of our improper fraction, and then we'll use the original denominator as the denominator. So 3 and 1/2 as a mixed number turns into 7 over 2 as an improper fraction. Let's look at one more example. So why don't we do 7 and 2/3. So let's think about those steps again. We are going to multiply our denominator by the whole number portion. So we have 3 times 7 equals 21. And then we take that product and then we add the numerator to it. In this case is 2 for a total of 23. And then we take the original denominator and just bring that down. So 7 and 2/3 becomes 23/3. So what about if we have an improper fraction and we need to make that a mixed number? So to do that, we can divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient is the whole number of the mixed number, and the remainder is the numerator of the fraction part, and the denominator stays the same. You've probably seen that as this theme throughout this video is we keep that original denominator. Let's look at some examples. We have 17 over 5. So we need to write this as a mixed number. So what we're going to do is we are going to divide 17 by 5. So we have 17, and we're going to divide that by 5. 5 goes into 17 3 times. So we have 15 from 17, which leaves us a remainder of 2. So our whole number is going to be this 3 here. So we have 3. And then 5 is our original denominator. And then we take that remainder for our new numerator. So 17 over 5 becomes 3 and 2/5. Why don't we look at one more example today? We will do 24 over 4. So we are going to divide 24 by 4. So let's set that problem up. 24 and 4. So 4 goes into 24 6 times. So it goes in evenly. So we don't have a remainder. So there is no fraction part. We are only left with our whole number. So 24 over 4 in an improper fraction becomes 6 as a whole number. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one.